Hey y'all, welcome to Boxing Discovery by G. My name's Gina, and this is Miss Cali Cat. You want to say hi, Miss Cali Cat? Miss Cali Cat, say hi. Say hi. So today we have something a little different. I've told y'all about Stitch Fix, the monthly subscription. You pay a styling fee, you get it returned to you if you keep something. Great clothes, absolutely love Stitch Fix. Let me tell you a little more about it before I get into y'all, my costume's getting to me. It's a personal shopper clothing subscription. You have your own personal shopper for you. They pick out 5 outfits for you. They send it to you. You pay the $20 fee, and that's credited back to you if you keep anything. If you keep all of them, you get 25% off. And if you use my referral below, you get $25 in credit. So they also have a store where everything is curated to you. So today I just bought a couple things off the store so that y'all could see how it goes. You know, it's curated to me and we can see how I did, you know. So I bought 2 items. And I bought them on October 15th. Today is October 21st. They were delivered yesterday. And I'm going to pull that up so I can tell you how much they are and a little about them. But right now, we're going to open my 2 bags and look at them. We're excited. Y'all, I've only bought something one other time through their store. I bought the wrong size. Or it was a little big on me or something, and I didn't. Is there a special way to open this? We'll do it this way. If I have to send it back, I may be in trouble. Because there is a return label in case I want to send it back. You can send stuff back. Here is the first one I got. Oh, Callie. This is a lesserein. It is the Gabriella split neck knit top, extra large, off-white. It was $42. Look how cute this is, y'all. I don't know how I'm gonna love the look on me, but I just thought it was adorable. It is so soft. It's got a 3/4 length sleeve. I hope I don't get glitter on it, y'all. I just thought about that. Very cute, and I'll try it on for y'all tomorrow. It's the end of the day today, so I'm not trying anything on today. And the other one I got is a 41 Hawthorn. I'm gonna try not to tear this bag just in case. 41 Hawthorn. Look at the top. It's got this twist neck top to it. It's got keyhole, well, cutouts anyway, not keyhole. But I just thought this would be darling underneath a blazer or something like that. Very cute, would work for church. This is the Jaslinda twist split neck moss crepe knit top. I paid $44, extra large, magenta. So we will try this stuff on tomorrow, which means you'll get to see a different costume. If I'm still doing costumes. I think so. I think I still got a few costumes to do. And y'all can let me know what you think and how I did on just picking out a few things from the store. Y'all, please press the like button. Subscribe if you haven't already. Share with your friends. Press that notification bell. I will see y'all back in a minute. Alright, so here is my outfit of the day. My 80s costume. I got this top at Torrid. These leather looking leggings I got at Target. These that I'm using for leg warmers, actually I think boot tops that I got at Wish many moons ago. All the accessories, the earrings, the necklace, the bracelets, these fishnet hand things, and my head bow I got from Amazon as a set. So let's move on to the clothes. Alright, for this top, I just grabbed a pair of my own 1822 jeans. Yeah, I think I like it. I mean, I've never been one for the peephole and the cutouts, but they're so popular now, it's hard not to buy anything with it. I think this is a great color. I think it's pretty. I think it fits my silhouette. What do y'all think? Pretty cute, right? All right, let's try the next one on. This one has a little more of that boho feel that I love. Been really enjoying. I do think it is cute. It does have, you know, it can go a little low, y'all. If it was untied, it can be a little low, but it's cute. I'm just, honestly, is it too big? Do I need a smaller size in it? That's my only thing. But I think it is adorable. What do y'all think? Let me know, comment below. Let's do a recap. Personal note, do not touch the cap. I'm wearing the gloves. Oh my goodness, I got fur all over them. Y'all, I'm hot and tired now. Yeah, I need this. My makeup's going cakey too, because, you know, it was 80s. I put a lot of makeup on. Which I will promptly wash off after I'm done filming today. Yeah. I just want to do this raw. Yeah, just excuse me. All right, so we're back for a recap of the two shirts that I bought off of the, I believe they call it FreeStyle. It's the shop on Stitch Fix. They just recently changed the name up. So I'm not 100% on that, but I think that's what it is. Y'all, I thought this one from Hawthorn, 41 Hawthorn, was adorable. I think it would look great under a blazer with that black pencil skirt. So I'm probably gonna keep this one. I thought it was just super cute. This one I'm in debate about because I don't know, should I go down a size? So y'all tell me if you think I should go down a size on this shirt. I didn't even turn it inside. I was getting hot, y'all. So I get lazy when I get hot. Let me know if I should go down a size on this shirt or if you think it's perfect the way it is. Very cute top. I'm really feeling the burgundies lately. Can you tell? So let me know, comment below while you're down there. I'd love it if you'd like the video, if you press that notification bell, if you'd subscribe if you haven't already. I'd love it if you would subscribe. And don't forget to share me with your friends. Let's grow the community, y'all. I hope y'all have a happy and safe Halloween. Y'all have a wonderful day and God bless.